This video is my honest review of Leaply. It's not based on random facts, but on what I felt after using it for a few weeks and my honest opinion. So let's start with how I stumbled upon Leaply. It all started with burnout, which we often face, but nobody talks about how it actually feels. For me, it wasn't just being tired. I was waking up exhausted, feeling wired but drained, and getting irritated by things that shouldn't even matter. At first, I thought it was just stress, but it didn't go away. So I did some research and got to know about Leaply, and I decided to try it. Initially, they asked a few questions, and I answered, expecting the usual generic advice. But instead, it gave me a clear, structured daily plan. Not vague motivation, not toxic positivity, an actual system. And here's the part that surprised me. It connected everything I was feeling, the fatigue, the anxiety, the brain fog, the stomach issues, into one root cause. It wasn't just stress. It was my nervous system being stuck in survival mode. Your vagus nerve controls how safe your body feels. When it works properly, you feel calm, focused, and present. When it doesn't, your body acts like you're constantly under threat. Most of us live like this without even realizing it. What I liked about Leaply was how practical it was. No spiritual nonsense, no complicated routines, just simple 5 to 10 minute resets that I could do anywhere. Before work, between tasks, or before sleeping. And slowly, things shifted. My energy stopped crashing, my focus got sharper, and I stopped waking up feeling like I was already behind. So should you try it? If you feel mentally drained, physically tired, or stuck in constant overdrive, this might be something worth exploring. I'm not saying it's magic, but for me, it felt like getting control back. If you want to try it, check the link in the description. It's not a promotion or any kind of affiliate. Thanks for watching.